Hey everyone, welcome back to our South Dakota trip. This is day 4 and just like yesterday the day starts at McDonald's with breakfast, and today we plan to go to Custer State Park. We know that it's open. Then from yesterday we missed the reptile park. That I don't know if it's open today. If it's open, we'll go there. This is the last day of the trip, so I'm a little down. My mood is a little down because tomorrow morning we'll be heading out back home. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of this vlog. So we just paid the fee and we are at the east entrance here. So we'll need to continue a little bit, and then this is the wild loop. It's called wildlife loop road. That's what we want to take. Basically, that's where you see a lot of wildlife in the park, wild buffalo, bisons, deer, and all other wildlife that's there in the park. It says buffaloes are dangerous, please do not approach. We have not seen any major group of bisons. 15 years back when we are here, we got to see hordes of them, but this time we are not that much lucky. But if it rains a little bit, maybe they'll come out, because in this hot weather they are kind of hiding in the jungle. Another beautiful lake nearby Custer State Park. This is Stockade Lake. A lake surrounded with mountain and jungle. I think the reason behind why we didn't see too much wildlife today is this whole area was not commercialized 15 years back. Now it is. There are too many human beings, including us. So wildlife probably they're hiding. They're in hiding. Change of plan. Let's see some bears. So there is another park here called Bear Country. We saw something very similar in Arizona called Bearizona. So let's check it out. Basically, we went for milk. We didn't find milk, so we are eating ice cream. After Bear Country, now it's time for Reptile Garden. So let's see what's in store for us. So we are in the Reptile Gardens. This area is huge. We'll try to catch as many show we can. There are 3 of them. Bird show, and there is a snake show, and there is one more show. Look at that. The whole area is awesomely decorated using flowers. He is looking at us. There are a huge number of them. Most of them are small, but some are pretty large.
So we're going to talk a little bit about our reptile gardens history, the history of our birds across the world, and it has those striking colors. Now, when it comes to locomoting, she has a lot of options. Of course, she can fly using her wings. That's a fun one. Can we see your wings? Oh, beautiful. Climbs around. And her feet are really good for gripping. Yeah, let's show them right there. And a nice way. Look at those beautiful feet. She is capable of flipping upside down to grab onto it. They are quite acrobatic. And they're very good climbers too. So we will see if Moche can ascend to the top window. And she's got a great start. I think she loves climbing. That beak is being used like a third foot as she ascends. Very multi-purpose, and there is a lot of power there. The macaws have enough crushing power to get into a Brazil nut or a walnut with ease. But those beaks are also delicate enough that they can crack into something small, like, for example, a sunflower seed, which is what she gets as a treat. And now it's right on your hands. Excellent catch. Kind of snuck up on me there. We get to meet one of the most colorful creatures I've worked with. This is our king vulture. We call him St. John. He's also got very strong stomach acid. To cope with pathogens that might be lurking in his food. So let's get started. Can we hear an owl? Can we hear a whippoorwill? Can we hear a kitty cat? Can we hear some Beethoven? What do you think? Can we see a boogie? Do you like to pop bubbles? There we go. What do you think? Are they nice?
You ever heard of the black mamba?
Yes!
Good, because that is not the snake. This snake is much too dangerous for me to have in my hands. This guy here is actually a harmless variety native to Central and South America, known as the yellow tail. To address this, I am opening a large case here, but it is actually a small snake. That way you won't be disappointed when you actually get him out and you're like, oh, he's dying. Alright, so this big guy here is known as the Burmese python. And while he obviously is a large snake, he is not one of the largest of the snake world. It is known as the prairie rattlesnake. Maybe me. It's also possible that your movements will draw his attention and be threatening to him. The moment I start walking towards him, now I've caught his attention. Smart move is to not move. You want to sit there, freeze, slowly back away.
These are giant tortoises. Yeah, they can see us.
They will then quietly sink under, swim over to that animal, jump out and grab whatever part of that animal they can get a hold of. If that animal is small enough, they're simply going to swallow a whole. If that animal is too large for them to swallow whole, they're then going to drag it to the bottom of the river where they can drown it and dismember it at their leisure. They are very quick at striking. So you've probably heard that a person with enough strength in their hands could hold the mouth closed to, say, a very large alligator. So there are, of course, methods to doing this. We refer to it as alligator wrestling. So who wants to see me wrestle an alligator? Make it difficult on me. Ready? Ah, nice catch. All right, come on, buddy. Yep. All right, and on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ugh. How's this one? Is he big enough? Yeah. First thing I'm gonna do is take him for a walk here. Kind of spin him around. Get him facing you guys. So, get his head facing out. Nice little pull of the tail, and we have ourselves an alligator. Now comes the most important part of alligator wrestling. Getting off the alligator. Going too quickly off the alligator. And that is how you successfully wrestle an alligator. Well, our first hungry volunteer here. Alright, open up. Oh, you gotta open your mouth if you want the chicken. No, that's a leaf, don't eat that. No, chicken's up here. Ready? Open. Good catch. That's a leaf, don't eat that. Oh, or eat that, that's your choice. Whatever.
So finally, after 2.5 hours, we are done. We saw all 3 shows. That's awesome. And the dome also, which had some awesome collection of reptiles and birds. We are on our way out, and that concludes day 4. I hope you guys will like this 3-part bird show. We saw snake show, prairie dogs, alligator show. We saw all of them. Okay. I hope you guys like this 3-part South Dakota trip, and I'll try to present it in a very nice manner. And before we end today's video, here is something to take a look at. Awesome. If you guys liked it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I'll see you guys when we go to the next place. Bye bye now.